I don't have a plan for today. The main thing I want to try and find is the best viewpoint of the whole of Barcelona if I can. I woke up late this morning, not really sure how, but I didn't set an alarm. I suppose that's probably how. But I didn't mean to. Got myself out. There's a couple of things I want to see or do, but for the rest of it, I just want to look around. So that is the goal. That's what I'm going to try and do.
That is unreal. Just had some breakfast over here and then come through this archway into that crazy little square. But for breakfast, brunch and cake, which was absolutely unreal. It was a New York cheesecake pancakes with extra strawberries and a latte. Came to 20 euros, so a little bit more than I would normally pay for a breakfast, especially as I don't actually normally eat sweet breakfast, but genuinely, the pancakes were, I'd have to say, one of the best pancakes I've ever had. This next stretch down here is the Rambla, which is considered to be the most well-known street in the whole of Barcelona. It's tree-lined, it's got lots of things going on. You often get people kind of doing show entertainment, I guess is what you call it, and other things going along it as well. So it's 1.2 kilometers, we're gonna walk down it. There you go, one of the street people trying to sell you a ball on a string. Interesting. Not really sure why I'd buy that. There you go. I've walked along this place already a couple of times without realising it seems to be connected to a lot of streets that you need to go on to get to a lot of the touristy places. I've also been told this is where a lot of pickpocketing and theft goes on, but so far, fingers crossed, it doesn't seem to be like that. It seems quite well manned by police for one, and also that everyone's just kind of keeping themselves to themselves and just walking. Obviously there's still time to find out if that's true, but for the most part so far it seems okay. It is quite unbelievably busy. Some of the other parts I've been to with, like, you know, the cathedral, etc., have been busy. This has been also just as busy, and it's just a strip, it's just a road. One of a road path. Just a few different shops, so maybe I've not got down to the best bits yet. I'm confused why there's so many people walking along it. Maybe it's just a nice walk. It's starting to make a bit more sense now, because obviously it links up to this market, which is one of the most popular markets there is here. I'm going to come back to it later. I read a review that said if you come back about 3-4, I think it said, something like that. I'll check the times, but it's a lot quieter. You can walk around it a bit easier, because if you look right now, it's like cattle. Like herding frogs in a box. Once you get to the bottom of the Rambla, you come to a big statue. The statue is of Christopher Columbus monument, I believe is the correct phrase. Yeah, the Christopher Columbus monument. I've made it to the beach. I don't know how long that took me, because I just kept on walking along the kind of marina bit after that Christopher Columbus monument. It doesn't look too busy to go, which is quite nice. Again, that up there, I can't remember what it's called. I need to get on this beach in a minute. I'm just going to keep walking along, have a little look as I go first, and then I'm going to find a little space, have a little sit down. Oh, I'd love to play some of this as well. It's like pickleball, I think. I think it's called pickleball, though it's enclosed, so I don't know if there's... I don't know what it's called then, but yeah, anyway. Hello. Could you get a Coke, please?
Coke?
Yes, please.
One?
Just one, just take away.
take away 280 please. So, are you vlogging?
I am vlogging, yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from the UK.
UK?
Yeah, where are you from?
I'm from France.
From France, whereabouts?
I'm interns, I'm from Bordeaux.
Oh, nice, okay. Yeah, I've not been to many parts of France, so I've been to Chamonix, went to the resort there, and then Calais as well. Yeah, like only those parts, but yeah.
You should visit France, it's very cool.
Yeah, where's best to visit then?
The south, it's very there's the beach in the south,
yeah.
Very good, and in Paris, everybody, like tourists in Paris.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, awesome. No, thank you. Finally had my first proper interaction with someone. And I got my Coke, and we spoke about France. We just had a little chat, and we had a chat afterwards as well, off camera. Just talked about what there was to do. At the time, I didn't really think much of it. He just said, "Oh, I'm not really from here, but you could do this or that." And then I realised it's a hostel that I got this from. That's got a cafe. So he possibly, maybe he's travelled here as well, and then he's working at the same time. Should have asked about whether I was vlogging, and I didn't even tell him the channel. So not sure how he'll ever find the video that he's in now, but never mind. Never mind, eh? Still, just walking along the beach. Just gonna go to the other end and then work out what I'm doing from there. I forgot my sun cream, so I'm gonna have to get some sun cream as well. I'm from the UK, where you from? From Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, you go by Bangladesh country.
Nice. Thailand, that's like the furthest I've got. But yeah, how long you come for?
Oh, only 2 years from 4 months.
Okay, yeah. Awesome.
Nice country. Barcelona, very beautiful country.
Yeah, really nice, isn't it? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, awesome. No, thank you for chatting with me. Anyway.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you for chatting with me. Thank you. Take care.
Umbrella, amigo.
Honestly, so I made it down to the beach, and I think when you're up there, you don't notice all the people trying to sell you things. Since being down here, been offered mojitos 2-3 times, a picture for €5, an umbrella. I really don't get it. Well, I do get it, because obviously trying to make money, but I just thought it'd be a bit more relaxing down on the beach here, and so far it's not that relaxing.
The beach was interesting. I think being harassed every 5 seconds, would you like a mojito? Would you like a water? Would you like an umbrella? Would you like a big towel? No. What's the answer to that? And then there was a weird kind of part where one of those people that was selling things came and stood in front of me and called over another person. And then another person, and they just would not move from in front of where I was sitting. And they kept coming up from behind, coming through, and then coming and stand in front. It was quite unnerving, and I felt that they were trying to distract me so they could then get my bag, because I hadn't had my bag on at that point, it was to my right. I put my bag on my back, and I kind of got myself almost ready to leave. And as soon as I did that, they all just disappeared, just dispersed.
Had a quick pit stop, charged the camera, batteries, charged my phone. Now I'm going to the cable car to do the funicular. So just checking my phone, because nowhere did it say to go upstairs until I started doing it. And like, you can't see where that goes, but all the way down there, like, hard work. So anyway, almost at the top now. More stairs. Look at that. What is going on? I'm getting closer now. Once you see the cable cars, you know you're getting closer. Oh, wow. I have to come back to that bar there. Remind myself, come back to that bar. This could be a bad idea if I'm going to get a one-way ticket and then walk back down / work my way back. Just one-way single, please.
We're going to the castle, you know that?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Perfect. 11 euros then.
Lovely, thank you.
Gracias.
Gracias,
Que
thank
vaya
you.
bien. Hola.
myself. Happy days. Make myself at home then, shall I? Door's now closed. Up we go, we're going up to the castle. That's all she wanted to tell me. She said, oh, make sure you know you're going to castle. I was thinking, well, I think I knew that. Does it normally go somewhere else? I don't know. But I'm going to go to the castle. I've got a one-way ticket, so I'm hoping it means I can then just walk back down. I've got one other thing I want to try and find. See if I can find that, and then there's a couple of things, well, it's a bit bumpy. There's a couple of things I want to see on the way back down if I can. But oh my god, the view so far, straight away, hold on. Just look at it. Look at that. That is some view. Honestly. Sorry, but just look at it. That is something else. Off I go. Yep. Here we go. I guess we're going this way. Seems like the only way to go, so. And I almost walked straight past it, so I've gone a bit too far down, but I think the viewpoint I want to see is over to one side. Through here. It's a bit of a sketchy path, but I'm pretty certain this is it on the edge, and if I look over, we'll soon find out. I could be wrong. I could be in the complete wrong place here, but I think this could be it. Spot I think I've ever seen to have a beer. I think it's a Maritz 7. Water polo down there, view out there. You can't beat this. Matches have just started, so now I'm watching water polo as well. Actually, what is going on? I just came for a view and a beer, and now I've got a beer, a view, and a game of, I think it's water polo? Pretty sure it's water polo. It's just unbelievable. Which team who do I cheer on? The ones with the yellow caps. Oh, goaler! Oh, I don't know, they score and then have to retreat? I don't understand. Oh, just missed. Oh, what a catch. Oh, oh my god. I never thought I was going to see this today. Did not think this was on the cards. Wow. Come to Barcelona. Watch some game of water polo.
So I don't know if that was a scam. Someone trying to theft me.